Okay, so long last, back at the beer fridge, the fermentation fridge, and I'm wiring up my power supply. I've chosen to use the one that did arrive, that got dented and that, and I've fixed it and pulled the dent out a little bit. Still pretty bad, but it works. So without further ado, let's plug her all in. So live into that one there. So the control panel's already fitted. The heater module I've left floating inside, but is wired up to the wires that come down here, the black and the red. So that won't take long to screw in somewhere. I'll probably put a wooden shelf at the bottom to mount some bits on. I've done 12 volt, as I said previously, 'cause it's just probably a bit safer with having liquids in, and the fact that it's going to get cleaned down quite regularly, keep it sterile and whatnot. So and I might even put some LED lighting in there. Just about getting this up and running in time for summer beers. That'd be nice. I think I might start off with some turbo cider recipes. I think I've been thinking about, I may make a passion fruit cider. I've definitely got to try it and make a crisp cider. There's a cider that we had in Portugal, a Sotheby's cider, Sotheby's crisp cider, really nice. Unfortunately you can drink far too much of it. Anyway, right, let's power supply in. We'll turn the thing around now and we'll see if it all powers up. Okay, so I've got a separate reader at the top here as well, just to be double sure it's reading the right thing, but I shall stick some power on this and see what happens. So we're on heat. I suppose I should check that underneath, inside, is getting hot. That works. So lovely. Let's unclip the camera. So some awful camera work. So reading quite close together. Oh, picking up temperature already. That's not bad. I can't remember what I set it to. I think maybe 14 or 16 degrees I set it to keep temperature at. So it's got the fan at the back that's just turned off because I've opened the door. I've left the probes dangling at the moment. I'm going to tape those up somewhere. I've also left the heater dangling at the moment, which is there. So I'll drill a hole through the back, but I'll probably put a shelf across here to cover all of that, although it doesn't possibly mean I'll miss out on one of the fermentation tanks. But yeah, I'll box up cabling in somehow, so it's neat. But it seems to be working, guys. So I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes or so to settle, and we'll come back and see what the temperature is maintaining at. I'm sure. What did I set it to? Oh, 16. There you go. I set it to 16, so it'll try and maintain 16 within 0.5 of a degree. Lovely. Okay. Catch you in a minute. We're back. So true to its word, it has reached the 16 degrees. The other temperature sensor is saying 15.7. So I don't know which one to believe really, but we're pretty much there. That'll do for what I needed to do. So have a look inside. It does feel warmer inside than it is outside, not by much, and our temperature sensor does in fact say it's up to 16. So we're where we want to be. It smells a little bit, that temperature sensor. It's only a little diddy thing. Obviously had a bit of oil on it. So we're good to go. Bargain. Right. Comments below of what I should be putting here in it to fermentate next. Okay. Have fun, be safe, go build something.